UL 508A, panel fabrication and cabinet certification expert in California. At Applied Gray Matter, we take pride in our UL 508A certified panel fabrication shop, where we build industrial control panels to the highest safety standards set by Underwriters Laboratories, UL. This prestigious certification underscores our commitment to safety, reliability, and industry excellence. By choosing Applied Gray Matter, you are partnering with a team dedicated to excellence in industrial control panel fabrication. Our UL 508A certification is a testament to our rigorous safety standards, quality craftsmanship, and commitment to providing reliable solutions for your industrial needs. Trust Applied Gray Matter to deliver control panels that prioritize safety and performance, ensuring your operations run smoothly and securely. Applied Gray Matter also specializes in EU Asia UL machine certification, commissioning and decommissioning of production lines, assisting in FAT of the equipment and PCB design and manufacturing. Does your project require a custom control panel? Schedule a consultation with the Applied Gray Matter sales team, 315-878-2372, 425-420-0300.